Chalo. Okay. So official good evening to all of you. Yes, we have new faces. Kashinath ji hai, Ranjit, Kavita, Nitin, Priyanka and Sapna. Please try to switch on your camera here. Okay. And let me, before dive into the session, let me introduce myself here. This is Preeti Srivastava, grammar coach at this platform. And also, I will take the today, which session? Today, vocabulary
Vocab.
session.
Vocabulary.
Okay. Every Friday, we will meet at 9 p.m. for the vocabulary session.
Vocabulary.
Have you
Vocabulary.
taken any vocabulary before this Friday?
Yes, ma'am. 2 times.
Two
Yes.
times. Great, great, great.
Nidhi madam.
Yes.
Nidhi
So,
madam.
yes, Priyanka,
Ma'am, Nidhi madam.
could you turn on your camera, dear? I want to see your
Yes.
smiling faces. Yes. So,
Okay.
so my question is here. We all are set, na? We all are set for the meeting at 9 p.m. Friday. Why? Why we all are meeting? We all are meet at 9 p.m. in today vocabulary session. Why? Why this session is very, very important? Yes, guys, anyone tell me? Because you all are the new. That's why I'm asking. Why? See, guys, you have to, at least you have to know na, what is the importance of the vocabulary session. Why you are taking the vocabulary session? Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, without vocabulary, a sentence will not completed.
Yes, yes, Ranjit.
Without
Vocabulary.
with a sentence will not complete.
Wow, great. Would you like to add something? Add something, Nitin?
So
Nitin?
enhance our words, new words, old words to new words. To go from old words to new words.
Means you want to become a best version of yourself. Am I right? Isn't it?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, 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 okay. Yes. Nitin, also you want to add? Sapna, Kashinath, Kavita.
Yes,
You want
to improve our fluency in English, we need a word power. So we need to know more words, a variety of words, so you can speak fluently.
if you want to become an impressive speaker, then you
Yes.
want to. Achha, but do you feel you don't have a vocabulary? Only vocabulary is the reason you are not speaking very well, isn't it?
Ma'am, confidence, idea generation, all are the reasons.
Yes. Vocabulary क्या काम करता है उसमें? काम क्या करता
Vocabulary
है?
to sir, it's a help to impress others.
Impress other. Okay. तो add something. आप इसको कह सकते हो add something attractive flower type का कुछ भी है, मतलब कोई भी ड्रेसअप है उसमें आप कुछ अट्रैक्शन ऐड कर रहे हो, बट इट डजंट मीन कि यू डोंट नो वोकेबलरी. You have the proper knowledge of the vocabulary. Whatever you have the knowledge of vocabulary, you use. Honestly, tell me, have you used in your daily conversation? Have you speak with that vocabulary in a fluent way? Kavita, you want to say something here?
Most of the time we use vocabulary, but somewhere we stuck if we don't get a particular word.
Okay, so that is the need of consistency. The problem is the consistency, practice, and when you speak in a fluent way, then you can add some advanced vocabulary also. Achha, now first, now tell me, IDQ na follow some tricks for the vocabulary. Could you anyone tell me which rule we have to follow, which technique we have to follow? Yes, I want to just.
VT technique.
Wow, great, great. What are they? With the technique, Sapna. Don't be sit silent, dear. Speak, speak. Speak. Yes. Yes. More you speak, more you will be confident and learn. Okay. Yes,
Confident.
please.
We have necessary vocabulary, new words. We learn new words and we have new words, and we speak fluently and clear.
Okay. My
We
question
have
is, what are the B3 technique? Sapna and Nitin Misal will tell me. Yes, Nitin, why are you nodding head?
No, ma'am.
You don't know B3
Because my
technique?
first station.
Okay,
No,
okay,
I
okay.
know.
That's
I don't know.
that it's okay.
With
So Sapna,
visualization, verbalization.
who is telling? Acha,
Yeah,
Sapna.
me.
Kavita. Okay. Yes,
Yeah,
Sapna.
visualization. Okay,
no,
I got
no,
it.
You don't memorize, yeah, you don't know. Yes.
forget.
Acha, forget. Okay, but don't be forget. That is a very, very important. Our V3 technique.
Yes.
Without that, we can never ever be fluent here. Yes. Priyanka, Nagpal, Jaydeep, and Milind. Please switch on a camera fast, dear. Please. Wow. Milind, I think. Milind, we will meet, I think. Okay. Yes. Now
Yeah.
tell me, Priyanka, please, what are the V3 technique, dear?
Then B3, present, past, future.
No. Stop. Yes.
Visualization.
हाँ
क्या clear?
चलो I will let you clear दिया with the technique Kavita told ना अच्छा yes DMP Shivani will tell Shivani will explain what is the V3 technique. Yes Shivani, yes, go, unmute. I will give opportunity to speak everyone. Yes, Milind, you want to say? Yes
Shall I?
Visualization, verbalization.
Vitalization.
Yes, now
Vitalization.
Priyanka. Yes. Now Priyanka will got it everything. Yes. So क्या था V3 technique? Visualization, verbalization, and vitalization. Don't forget, dear. Don't be forget. Okay, Nitin.
Visualization.
We follow V3 technique, dear, for the vocabulary purpose. And what are the V3 technique? Visualization. What is the meaning visualization? Yes.
Imagination.
Yes. हाँ ये तो समझ में आ रहा है. विजुलाइज करना समझ में क्या सब विजुलाइज करना है.
Imagine the vocabulary.
Whatever you use a word na, you have to visualize that word, that it will be more क्या कहते हैं उसको retain into your brain, memorize every words. तो visualize जैसे if you say today is hot, तो आपको लगता है कि आप हॉट फील करते हो ना, विजुलाइज करते हो ना, यू आर सो ब्यूटीफुल. तो हम लोग ब्यूटीफुल को विजुलाइज करते हैं. Sometime we feel and sometime we visualize. Then you have to visualize whatever you use word. Got it, Nitin? Jaydeep? Yes. Jaydeep is also.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, dear. How are you? You are doing well?
Yes, ma'am. Very good.
Okay, great. So what are the second technique? Visualization के बाद
verbalization.
What does it mean? Verbalization.
Speak the word what you think. Visualize.
Several times.
Yes.
Multiple times.
How
Multiple times.
Multiple times. But how?
Regular.
The way of speaking. How?
Certain situation.
No. I'm saying inwardly या loudly. कैसे बोलना? मन ही मन में या बोल के बोलना?
बोल के. Loudly.
And if you speak inwardly, अगर आप मन ही मन बोलोगे, then what will happen? What will happen?
मेरे अलावा कुछ सुन नहीं पाएगा.
क्या? What?
मेरे अलावा कोई सुन ही नहीं पाएगा.
ये तो है. It is happen. But if you speak,
the message will not be clear.
Yeah, right, Milind. Pronunciation will not be improved. Okay. For the pronunciation, you have to speak aloud, and you have to speak. Why verbalize? Because you have your mouth muscle will familiar with that language. गॉट इट? जैसे
Yes.
हम लोग जो लैंग्वेज बोल रहे हैं ना, उससे हम लोग का जो मदर टंग जो टंग होता है उससे फैमिलियर होता है, आप समझ रहे हो? मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम जब आप अदर लैंग्वेज व्हेन यू आर ट्राइंग टू स्पीक, तो क्या लगता है आपको, वो आपका मदर एमटीआई जो होता है वो आपको इफेक्ट करता है कि नहीं करता? उसमें करता है ना? तो यू हैव टू मोर अवेयर विद द प्रोनाउंसिएशन while verbalization technique using. Okay, that's why verbalizing is a very very important here. Okay, पढ़ने के लिए इसीलिए हम लोग बोलते हैं, बोल के बोलने के लिए बोलते हैं. And also I will suggest to everyone, before going to bed, per day, daily basis, read aloud 1 page English, anything, whatever you like, चाहे story, चाहे something, anything, saying song, anything, everything. Okay, got it? Third one is vitalization. Who will tell what is the meaning of vitalization? Kashina.
Repetition of words.
Kavita. Yes, sir.
Repetition of words.
Your voice is not clear. Must maybe you. That's why. Yes, yes. Not
Repetition of word. Repetition
of word. How? My question is same. How?
Like using frequently the
see, Kashina, do you want to say? Jaideep, anyone, Priyanka, Milind will say. Yes, Ranjit.
Executing words basically.
Using frequently the same word for many times.
Whatever you want to learn vocabulary, you. Yes, Ranjit.
Ma'am, whatever what I learn, I have to use my surrounding.
Yeah, that is a vitalization. Vitalization वो मत समझिए, विटामिन प्रोटीन वाला नहीं. इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे V3 टेक्निक मीन्स हम अगर आपको कोई भी वर्ब याद करा रहे हैं, मेस्मराइजिंग हमने बोला कि प्लीज लर्न मेस्मराइजिंग वर्ड्स. अब आपको मेस्मराइजिंग में बोल दूं कि yes, he is a mesmerizing words, he has a mesmerizing personality, तो आप अपने सराउंडिंग में इमेजिन करेंगे ना उस वर्ड को, देन इट विल रिटेन इनटू योर ब्रेन ना. समझ रहे हो? अगर मैं मेनी मोर एग्जांपल आई विल गिव यू. ओके, सो डजंट मीन. अच्छा, एनीवन रिमेंबर लास्ट फ्राइडे एनी वोकैबुलरी यू नो? व्हाट प्रोवर्ब?
Yes, ma'am.
Any proverb 1 year to any.
let bygone be bygone.
That is a very famous.
Let the sleeping dogs
Make the
lie.
sentence. Make the sentence by using that proverb.
Well begun is half done.
Yes, Ranjit.
Well begun is half done.
Yes, well begun is a half done. Make the sentence with that. Vitalize. Use.
May I?
Yes, Kavita, you also.
Yesterday I met my friend. She was talking about her argument with her colleague. So I told her that let bygone be bygone.
Yes.
Like whatever the argument.
नहीं समझिए, तो जो हुआ सो हुआ. Please forget and forgive. Okay. So अभी आपने क्या किया? What you do? You can frame that phrasal, that proverb with your surrounding atmosphere. आप इसको ऐड करके बनाए ना, तो इससे क्या होगा? इससे आपको जो न्यू वर्ड्स हैं, चाहे वो फ्रेजल वर्ब हो चाहे प्रोवर्ब हो, तो वो आपको लर्न होगा कि नहीं, आपके ब्रेन में स्टोर होगा कि नहीं? क्योंकि आफ्टर सम टाइम ना, मेनी स्टूडेंट्स टोल्ड मी, मैम few days so I learned the vocabulary, but after 1 week 2 weeks I forget every vocabulary. Why? I'm not saying you learn 5 vocabulary, 10 vocabulary, only 2 vocabulary you learn and use that vocabulary into your daily conversation before next Friday तक. आप देखो कैसे नहीं लर्न होगा सारा. चलो, let us jump into the topic. So what is the today topic? Yes, what is today topic? And first
words.
Twin words.
How is the Josh? First tell me, how is the Josh? How is the Josh?
Hi.
Hi.
Yes, तो जोश आपका हाई होना चाहिए. राइट ब्रेन एंड लेफ्ट ब्रेन बी एक्टिवेट. ओके, सो दैट इट विल मोर. कहते हैं ना कौन सा हार्मोन स्टार्ट होता है? व्हेन वी स्माइल. चलो, सो Tell me. अच्छा, what is the rule? What is the rule our vocabulary? इस सेशन का क्या रूल्स क्या होता है? हम लोग स्टार्ट कैसे करते हैं सेशन? मतलब अगर हमें vocabulary के बारे में स्टार्टिंग करनी है, then how could we start? Yes, Kavita and Milin will tell. Milin is taking my session many times. Yes, Milin.
Yeah.
What is the protocol?
Just protocol. You are just putting some words, 4-5 words, and then we are imagining the meaning of that word.
We are not direct jump into the words.
Topic
पे वर्ड्स पे हम वर्ड्स पे vocab पे हम डायरेक्ट जंप नहीं करते. क्या करते हैं? फर्स्ट आई गिव यू क्विज, क्वेश्चन, then what will you do? What you all do? Whatever you have the vocab, you have to feel it by your own self. आपको अपने से पहले उसको फील करना होगा, उस सेंटेंस को. ठीक है? Then after I will correct and I will explain everything. Right?
Yes.
You all have the good vocabulary. I believe and I know your potential. Okay? So now, but before starting session, first tell me what is the twin words. Okay, today's topic is twin words. What is the twin words? Yes, dear. What is the twin words?
Maybe.
Yes. Any. So, how do you?
Ma'am, I think the words will spell differently, but spell same, but have different meanings.
Okay. So what is the twin words? Twin words means क्या? Confusing words. जिसे हम बोलते हैं twin words means confusing word. What is the meaning? The confusing word कैसा होता है? The sound कैसा होगा वो?
Sound same होती है, लेकिन meaning अलग होता है.
Sound exactly the same, but have a different meaning. Spelling भी different होगा and completely different meaning भी होगा.
Yes.
But sound same होगा. उसका spelling and meaning different हो जाएगा. So today we will see. Don't be confused. I will go thoroughly step by step. Okay? So don't be confused. But as I told you, the protocol of the vocab quiz. We will start with the quiz. Okay? Question. And honestly give the mark yourself. Okay? आपको क्वेश्चन, डोंट बी राइट क्वेश्चन आपको नहीं लिखना है कुछ, क्योंकि मैं आफ्टर द सेशन आई एम सेंडिंग द पीडीएफ. आपको सिर्फ ए फर्स्ट वाला, सेकंड वाला, ए या बी, ऐसे आपको आंसर खाली आप उसको कर लेना. यस, twin words. We will start now. First we will read. Ranjit, start. Read this.
I am speaking aloud. Aloud right now.
Which one is right?
Second
First
one.
I am speaking aloud.
Okay.
Aloud.
Sorry, first one.
First.
Yes,
Okay.
speaking.
Anything. Okay, I'm clear. I will let you clear after the question. Okay. Abhi this time please note it down in your copy. Answer only कि first one या second one. Okay, ऐसे आप एक हिंट के रूप में आप उसको नोट कर लो. ठीक है? Allowed या allowed. Okay. Yes. Go for the next. Go. Shall we? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Second, Ravi Rai, I think. Okay. Yes, Priyanka.
I declare and value added to these two different terms complement each other.
Okay, anyone tell me
IDQ and
verbalizing technique is good or not?
Yeah, very good.
Is he speaking right way or not? Because when you are reading na, Priyanka, no one can understand what you are saying, dear.
Okay, ma'am. Actually, I am doing something.
Now read aloud.
IDQ and value added to these two different trends complement each other. Second complement is correct.
Again, you are doing one mistake. Anyone tell me? Anyone?
No, no stoppage.
Yes, not.
Stoppage. I mean comma.
Pause.
Oh,
Pause. She didn't take any pause. अगर आपको हिंदी बोलना होगा प्रियंका तो आप ऐसे बोलोगे, आपका जो भी मदर टंग है आप ऐसे जाओगे, नो 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 नो, आप पॉज तो लोगे.
Okay.
Whenever you
Additive
saw
and
the
value
comma,
adder do the two different brands complement each other.
So why are
We have to
you
make a
so
stop.
hurry? होता है क्या ना, जब हम whenever you try to speak या learn other language ना, तो हम सोचते हैं जल्दी से बोल के स्टॉप हो जाओ, खत्म करो उसे.
No, ma'am. Yes,
No.
ma'am.
So
Like
we
this.
have to read with the enjoy, with the take a pause, okay, with the smiling face. Then it will, you will
Okay.
be more, everyone will be more impressive speaker. Body gesture is important, na? Your fluency coach will tell you. Body gesture is important. Yes. Which one is the right? Which
Yes.
one is the right?
First one
Ma'am,
is right.
second compliment is right.
Second compliment is right.
Compliment.
Okay, so anyone who is saying complete, first one is right, then it's okay. Please write it down. And who is saying complete, second one is, then it is okay. चलो मैं बताऊंगी after question. I will clear. Yes. Kashinath, please read this.
I have stopped eating meat altogether. Oblique, altogether.
Which one is right?
First
Ma'am,
one is right.
First one is right.
First one is right.
First one.
Stop eating meat together.
Yes. You
Yes, stop
have stopped eating mango
altogether.
altogether. Okay, so write it down. Okay. Now, next. Fourth is who left? Yes, Milind.
I love to eat dessert. Dessert.
Again read.
I love to eat dessert. Dessert.
Which one is right?
Dessert.
Note it down. Yes. Kavita. Then Sapna be ready.
I have a meeting with the school principal this afternoon.
Which one is right?
Principal, first one.
Okay.
I have a meeting with the school principal.
It's the principal. No, it's the principal.
If done, then
First one, ma'am.
okay.
First.
Okay.
First one, ma'am.
Renka.
Principal.
First.
Renka, which one is right here?
First one.
Okay, according to your also first one. Okay, now who is Jaideep?
Can I bring my
Bring
friend
my
along?
friend along.
First one is correct.
Can I bring my friend along? Yeah, along. Yes. Not. Have you noted?
First one.
Okay.
Ma'am, first one.
Have you noted, everyone?
Yes.
Along.
Can we go? No, Nitin. Nitin, yeah, what a good question. For the
My
Nitin.
wife want me to advise first one advice.
Which one is?
Second one.
Second
one.
First.
Okay, chalo, write it down. Note it down.
Second one.
Okay, done. Who left? Renka, read this.
I have
First
met
one.
I have met with
Sorry.
my financial advisor.
Hmm.
Advisor.
Mm-hmm. Advisor. Advisor. Yes.
First one. First
First one.
Yes.
Okay. चलो देखते हैं which one is right. Okay.
Financial advisor.
Both are.
Okay. Next.
Advisor.
Next. Who left? Tesri. Tesri and
Yesterday,
no.
Yes.
Everyone is getting chance. Huh? Who is left?
First one. First one.
Sapna, read this.
yesterday I got my
Yesterday, I got many compliments
Hmm.
in the party. The
Both compliments. Okay, yes. Hmm.
first one is right.
First one is right. Okay. Okay. Chalo, see. Tesri, are you there? Okay. Milind, tell me.
Finally, we are all together meeting right now at Zoom session.
Which one is right?
Second.
Yes. Everyone has been noted?
Yes.
Done, everyone? Chalo. Now, I will explain each of one of you. Yes, ready for the answer. Okay. So, correct answer, you will get 2 marks. Okay. Whatever you take the answer. Okay. So, honestly, give yourself right marks. Okay. Chalo. Yes. First one. I'm speaking aloud right now.
Loud.
Yes. Tell me.
allowed.
Allowed.
Okay. Honestly, आप लोग अपने को नंबर दीजिएगा. Whatever you choose. Okay. Yes. Second. Yes.
Which one is correct?
You can see. You can see on the screen.
Compliment.
With the reason. With the reason.
Supporting.
Okay.
Compliment. They are supporting to each other.
Compliment.
Hello. Shall we move? Okay. Third one.
First one.
Together.
Oh, right. Right. Okay. Done.
First one.
Second.
Second.
These are two.
These
are
Done now? Done? Have you done? Then we
Yes.
will next. Okay. So read this.
Ma'am, please show me first, second, and third again.
Yes, dear. Who is saying?
Ma'am, Priyanka.
What? This one?
First, second, and third.
First, second, and third.
Yes, ma'am. I missed it.
Okay, you want to recheck. Done? बोल दिया here. Done?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Done? Okay. Yes. Yes. Now move to the next question. Yes. Everyone was voting now. First one. Then it's okay. Now, which one can I bring? Yes.
Along.
Oh, along. My wife, Nitin. Which one is? Which one is right?
First line.
Advice.
First.
Second.
Second.
First.
What is the
First
meaning
one
of
is
this
right.
sentence, by the way? My wife wants me to advise.
Advice.
Is it real? Is it right sentence?
No.
No.
अच्छा,
Right
who
one.
is
Right.
saying?
Never.
Second one.
भाई देख के बोलो, लेडीज की मेजॉरिटी ज्यादा है इस सेशन में.
Second one. Second one.
Second one
Yes,
is
yes.
right.
Second one.
Second one, okay. No. Answer is on the screen here.
First.
You can see. My question is it right? Starting of the sentence, my wife wants me to advise.
Wants me to advise.
Okay. मतलब
Never ask for advice.
advice मांगती है
My
husband
wife.
No, no.
से. That's what I'm saying. Is it right sentence? So what will be the change? What is the right sentence? Ravi, अच्छा. Ravi Roy. Yes.
Driving, ma'am.
अच्छा, so you are driving. Okay. चलो. Okay, I'm just joking here. Okay. So my wife wants.
Neighbor.
अगर जिसकी wife permission मांगती, that is good.
Wives always advises to their husbands.
So what will be the right subject? My
wife.
husband.
My wife never wants me to advise.
My husband was. Surely
Yeah.
my husband wants me
Yes,
to
Priyanka?
advise him.
Is it? Chalo, next. Eight one. Which one is? Both are
Yes.
correct here. Okay, both are correct. Why? I will explain.
First one, compliments.
Okay.
All together.
All together.
Okay. Now, honestly, tell me. Out of 20. कितना हुआ?
8, ma'am.
How many
8
of you? Men.
There
Now,
are
Ma'am,
8.
that advisor. Ma'am, that advisor
Ma'am, there
one
are
will be counted.
advisor में both are right. I will explain why. I will explain.
It means that number we can count that number.
हाँ, you can. तो
Yes.
Mine is 18.
18.
yes, 18.
There are 8 sentences. How can
Only
we?
advice that is wrong. That advice failing.
Okay, we will improvise what is the right word and why. Okay, हम लोग check करेंगे अभी. Kapta, you are asking something, I think. What?
No, I was asked that advisor question, that number will be added.
Okay. Then it's okay. Get it. So maximum score, who will get?
15.
Ma'am,
All
ma'am,
of the ingenious person, beautiful person here, because you all are trying. And Ranjit, what did you tell? What is the beautiful proverb?
Well begun is
Half done means what are the?
half done, but 50% done.
Yes.
50%.
What are the proverb? I was asking.
Oh, so many proverbs, ma'am. Now what I say.
So chalo, yeah, okay. So first. Now, yes. So
Loud.
now read this here. What is, as I told you now, what is the what twin words means? Spelling change hoga,
See.
pronunciation will change hoga, and meaning will change. What is the difference? Only
Spelling.
sound.
Oh, sound.
Permission.
एग्जैक्टली सेम
First
होगा, बट
permission.
उसके जो स्पेलिंग है ना, तो यस हियर व्हाट डिड allowed, allowed. Okay, what is the meaning? Allow करना. If you see,
Permit.
Give
Permit.
permission.
read this. Yes, one by one. Allow, to allow, permit someone, something, permission देना, किसी को permission देना, ठीक है? And allowed as a adverb we use करते हैं, हम क्या करते हैं इसको as a adverb we use करते हैं to speak out loud. You know very well. You know very well. Okay? क्या होता है? Speak, read, मतलब whatever you speak, allow. ठीक है, ये क्या है? As a adverb हम इसे use करते हैं. Okay? And allowed, allow क्या है? That is a verb.
Verb.
Giving permission to someone. Okay? Now, please allow me to speak. As a verb. As a verb we are using now in this sentence. Okay? You all are taking the session, grammar session, neuro grammar session. Na? In that session, you will get to know, your grammar coach will explain how to verb as a noun, how to use as a verb, as a adverb. I hope you all know. Yes. So, allowed. Allowed is a, यहाँ पे जो, हाँ, allowed आपने क्या, as a verb आपने use किया, क्या ये? Please allow me to speak. Okay? I allowed my all coaches to take one day. Jaideep, is it getting my point here?
Sorry, ma'am, I'm not getting your voice.
Acha. Read this second line. Second line.
Okay. I allowed my coaches to take one day leave.
What does it mean? In this sentence, allow as a कैसे use हुआ है?
Allow.
As a noun, as a verb, as adverb, as adjective. कैसे use किया गया इसमें allow को?
Verb.
As a verb use किया गया. कौन सा वो है? Verb का कौन सा वो है?
Third form.
Yes?
Past participle.
Yes, past form. Second form. Okay?
Second
Good.
form.
Yes. We will speak. Priyanka, Nagpal, read this one here.
Read that paragraph aloud so the rest of the class can hear you.
Yes, Priyanka. What is the meaning? This. Read the paragraph
Read that paragraph
aloud.
aloud.
Aloud. आप किस पे emphasize कर रहे हो? किस word पे emphasize? Second one पे emphasize कर रहे हो? इस word loud. Aloud. How could I speak? See, read the paragraph aloud. Priyanka, speak aloud. Okay? So emphasize
So
कहाँ पे
that
जा
the
रहा?
rest of the class can hear you. Aloud.
Yes, aloud. Okay? So that the rest of the class can hear you. It is totally depend of प्रियंका. प्रियंका ये तो सेंटेंस आप पे सूट कर गया.
You can say this, ma'am. Exactly.
Okay, dear. Chalo. Okay. So
now
how
I
could
will
you
be loud
pronounce
from now.
allow? First one is allow. Please allow me. I allow to you. Please allow me. For second one, allowed. Allowed. Okay. Read the paragraph aloud. Speak aloud. Okay.
So
तो
that the
second
rest.
one पे हम emphasize करेंगे allowed पे. ठीक है? Are you getting everyone?
Yes,
Shall we
yes.
move?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, dear. If any confusion, then please. Yes. Sapna will read this. Unmute.
You are allowed to bring a small bag with you.
In this sentence हमने allowed को कैसे यूज किया? फर्स्ट टेल मी. As a verb, as an adverb, as an adjective, क्या? Anyone tell me.
Adverb.
As a
Who is saying? Who is telling?
As adverb.
As adverb use किया. How? कैसे पहचाना?
Describe to action bringing.
Yes.
Bringing it.
No.
It's coming with a verb.
You
Yes.
are allowed to bring a small bag with
As
you.
a adjective ये यूज हुआ है. ठीक है. Now, Kashinath, read this one.
You are not allowed to wear shoes inside the house.
In this sentence,
Not allowed.
allowed as a use.
You are not allowed to wear shoes inside the house.
Adjective.
Ma'am, I think verb.
Yes, dear.
You are
Yes,
not
dear.
allowed.
बताइए.
I think verb as a verb.
As a verb.
As a verb.
Okay.
Adjective.
See?
Adjective.
As a verb आप कैसे बोल सकते हो? उसके आगे तो wear, to wear है ही है.
To wear.
Okay,
है ना?
okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Wear. To wear.
You are not allowed to wear shoes inside the house.
Okay. You are not allowed to wear shoes inside the house. तो हम allow को as a adjective भी use कर सकते हैं. You can use. Any question? अच्छा, by the way, what is the adjective? Anyone tell me? या adverb जो उसने बोला? Adverb क्या करता है? More verb को
That adds meaning.
Support करता है.
express करता
That
है.
adds meaning.
किसको?
Place of
Verb.
Verb,
Verb को.
adjective.
Verb को. और adjective क्या करता है?
Adjective.
Noun को एक.
Yes, noun को, pronoun को, उसको क्या करता है? Describe करता है, explain करता है. More. Okay, noun. Getting? So you are not allowed to wear shoes inside the house. In this sentence, allowed as adjective we use. तो हम किस पे emphasize कर रहे हैं? दोनों sentence में
Noun.
काशीनाथ.
Noun पे.
Subject पे कर रहे हैं ना? Doer पे कर रहे हैं ना? अब इसमें भी देखो आप. You are allowed to bring a small bag with you. Okay? Yes. Kashina. Again I'm asking.
you are not allowed.
You are not allowed to speak aloud.
Allowed है? Allowed कहाँ है? Allowed to speak aloud.
Allowed.
Pronunciation. Please focus on your pronunciation.
Allowed.
You are not
Allowed.
allowed to speak aloud. Okay? Likewise, you have to speak. Who will try? Ranjit will try. Ranjit, read this one again. I want to listen your pronunciation. That's why I'm saying. Read.
Okay.
You are not allowed to speak aloud.
Loud. Okay. Okay. Who will try? Milind.
You are not allowed to speak aloud.
Yes. Now, both are correct. Okay. Likewise, you have to emphasize the word. What is next? We will see. Everything is clear? Then we will jump. Okay. Next. Yes. Second one is compliment and complement. Okay. चलो. एक हम कैसे यूज कर रहे हैं? As a verb and as a noun. चलो see. Who will? Sapna will read. Read this.
It is used when something adds to or improves something else.
Something add या improve something else. तो क्या उसको क्या बोलेंगे? Complement. Complement. और second one.
Saying nice to someone.
इसे कैसे प्रोनाउंस करेंगे?
Compliment.
Compliment. Okay, as a noun भी use होता है, as a verb भी we can use compliment.
It is used when something else.
See, चलो Ranjit, read this one.
Compliment.
Ma'am, please show first slide again.
Oh no, एक second. Yes, Priyanka.
Can you show first slide again of this compliment only? It is used
when something adds.
This one?
It is used when something else to. Ma'am, wait for a minute. It is used when
you give praise, okay, something nice, when you speak something nice, okay, so that time we use second one, compliment.
Okay,
na? Yes, her compliment is give me energy. Her compliment बोलेंगे, okay. और
yes ma'am, done.
PLI जिसमें वो स्पेलिंग होगा, तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट एज अ नाउन एज अ वर्ब यूज करते हैं. और कंप्लीमेंट बोलते हैं वो कंप्लीट या टू मेक समथिंग बेटर. ओके, इस चीज को बेटर बनाना. ठीक है, चलो स्टार्ट. नेक्स्ट. yes who is reading? Yes, who is reading? Kashinath. अच्छा, रंजीत, हाँ, read this first one and second one Kashinath. Yes. Ranjit, read this. That had. Yes.
That compliments the dress you are wearing. They look good together.
Compliment. क बोलेंगे. Compliment. ठीक है. ये क्या कर रहा है? ऐड कर रहा है. क्या कर रहा है इसमें? इसमें आपको क्या समझ में आ रहा है? एक टू मेक समथिंग बेटर, किसी चीज को और अच्छा बनाने के लिए. मतलब इसमें क्या है? सेंटेंस का एसेंस क्या है? जो हैड है उसका हैड क्या करा? उसके ड्रेस को अच्छा बनाने के लिए एक तरीके से कम्प्लीमेंट है ये. कम्प्लीमेंट. ओके, आर वियरिंग, दे लुक गुड टुगेदर. Compliment. Second one, Kashinath, read this.
Yes. I want to compliment you on your performance. You did a really good job.
Yes, compliment. जब आप किसी की प्रेज करते हैं, किसी को लिए अच्छा बोलते हैं, तो वहां पे हम बोलते हैं compliment. He is giving you compliment. Okay, but if anything, something make you better, so then it will compliment. So देखिए, pronunciation will different. Compliment and compliment. Okay, got it, Sapna? Everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Wait a second. Yes. Next one. Sapna, read this.
Rice is a perfect complement to curry.
Again, read this.
Compliment. Rice is a perfect complement to curry.
है ना? बेटर कर रहा है वो. तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट बोलेंगे कि कंप्लीमेंट करेंगे?
Compliment.
गुड अप्लॉज. सपना ने उसको पहले से ही समझ गए. ओके, गुड. तो इसमें कंप्लीमेंट एज अ नाउन यूज हुआ है डियर. ओके, देख रहे हो? राइस इज अ परफेक्ट कंप्लीमेंट टू अ करी. ओके,
Yes.
चलो, थर्ड वन, मिक्स वर्ड. एंड अच्छा, who will read? Who is not saying? Nitin will speak now. Nitin will speak. Yes.
Yes,
Read
ma'am.
it. Both are pronounced you. Okay. Read this.
All in the same place at one time.
All together.
Or all together.
Hmm.
Mix word. All in the same place at one time. All together. Adverb. Completely.
It
As
means
a whole.
completely. As a whole. Okay. यानी पूरे तरीके से. All together. All together. And all together. All together. Okay. All in the same. यानी group. आप उसको बोल सकते हैं as a group. At a one time. अब कैसे हम as a sentence use कर रहे हैं ये आप देखो. ठीक है. Yes. Yes, Nitin, read this.
Let's meet at Zoom meeting sharp at 11 a.m. We will take that class all together.
All together. ठीक है. All together क्या means? क्या मतलब यहाँ हो गया? एक साथ लेना, ग्रुप में लेना. समझ में आ गया ना? एक साथ में.
Yes.
All together. I will take the meeting all together. यहाँ किस पे emphasize हो रहा है? First one पे. All together. Kavita, getting my point here?
Yes,
all
ma'am.
together. Okay. Yes. As a yes. All together. All together. Yes. Yes. Second one. Who is Milind? Read this. Second one.
I don't think you have been altogether honest with me.
All together. अब यहाँ देखो फर्स्ट वन को हम क्या कर रहे हैं?
All.
लाइटली कर रहे हैं और सेकंड वन पे फोकस कर रहे हैं. All together. Okay. As a adverb use कर रहे हैं. I don't think you have been altogether honest with me. Okay. Completely. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? Altogether means completely. पूरे तरीके से. Completely. Give any example. You have, if you have anyone. जैसे you can say. I decided.
I don't think you have been altogether honest.
Yes. I don't think.
Ma'am, I am getting this only.
I'm not getting your words here.
Ma'am, I have repeated this only.
अच्छा, you are repeating.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm asking now. Give us another example altogether. Second one का as a.
Second one, I don't think.
जैसे मैंने एक
I
example
think you have been altogether honest with me.
Totally पूरी तरीके से. Yes, Milind. Tell me, dear.
I think you have been altogether honest with me.
Okay, great. Anyone other? Kavita?
Ma'am, I think you have cheated me altogether.
I think yes, Jaideep.
You have cheated me altogether.
You have to.
You have cheated me. Cheat. CHEATED. Cheated me.
All together या all together?
Altogether.
उसने क्या बनाया? ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट. दिस इज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट फॉर मी. Now you can see this is a compliment, a compliment. Okay, see, good, nice example, but not good. Okay, yes, all together. Yes, अब मैं भी एक example दे रही. See, I decided to avoid sugar altogether. I decided to avoid sugar altogether. मतलब पूरे तरीके से अवॉइड करने के लिए सोच रही हूँ. Now you have to speak with this word. I decided to speak English altogether. Completely मैंने decide कर लिया है. I'm not using my MTI, mother tongue. So what you say? I decided to speak. आगे. Yes, altogether. Altogether means completely. And all together, I
Group.
decided, देखो मैं एक ही सेंटेंस में क्रिएट कर रही. I decided to teach vocabulary session all together.
All together.
All. First one. All together.
ठीक है, एक साथ. ग्रुप में अगर जब भी हम ग्रुप की बात करेंगे तो all together. And whenever we are talking about completely, पूरे तरीके से, तो हम लोग जनरली बोलते हैं कि वी हैव डिसाइडेड, वी हैव कंप्लीटली डू दिस, हम ऐसे बोलते हैं ना. तो आप यू कैन से ऑल टुगेदर. ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट. यस, Jaideep will read this. Yes, no one is. Yes, Kashinath.
Altogether, I think it is a good decision for the company.
क्या again come again, first one, first line, first word.
Altogether, I think it is a good decision for the company.
Now you can make the sentence, na? You can make the essence, you can create, you can understand by this word altogether.
Yes,
अब आप देख सकते हो, you can write, you can easily differentiate altogether and altogether.
Altogether.
Okay, altogether means completely, पूरी तरीके से. नितिन, आप देख रहे हो? ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
As a adverb. Yes. हाँ, Kashinath.
I want to share another
you can continue.
example
Make
for
the another sentence.
a ball of fruit salad is altogether good source of nutritious food.
Yes.
A ball of fruit salad is altogether good source of nutritious food.
Yes. Good. Right. Now, Miling, you can try. You will try. Could you make one sentence? All together, yeah, all together.
All together, we are enjoying the session.
Yes. And you all have to give your feedback. No, you all many use करूँगी. In this group, you have to send the feedback all together. After the session, give the thumbs up. Give a thumbs up. If you give a yes, everyone have to give your feedback. Nice, beautiful. Okay. Yes. Not one word. No, today's session is awesome, nice, good. No, whatever you learn, whatever you take away from this session today, anything you learn, please explain. दिल की बात कहो, जो भी समझा. I will try to explain with my heart here. मैं बहुत ही सिंपल लेके चलती हूँ. I'm not giving very hard example. क्योंकि आपको familiar करना है उस word से पहले. समझ रहे हो आप? Yes. Altogether, Sapna will create the one sentence. Altogether means, and all together का तो समझ में आ गया सबको. Group. Altogether.
See.
Yes.
She left the job altogether.
Yes, Sapna?
She left the job altogether.
Okay, right. Okay, good. Yes. Now, what is next? We will see. Yes. Very good. Now. चलो इसमें देखते हैं. आ गया. Yes. Who will? Ranjit and Nitin will explain. ठीक है? चलो, read this. First one.
Madam, just one moment.
Yes.
Can you take 10th sentence, 10th question? All together and all together. Same. 10th.
10th?
Yeah.
10th sentence जो question में था.
Dear, I'm all together and all together.
हम PDF
No,
सेंड
no,
कर
no, no.
देना. I'm sending the
The
PDF
words,
ना.
the words were the same, no? All together, and all together.
एक सेकंड. Which one? This.
Tenth.
Tense
Tense.
sentence.
अच्छा
Tenth
tense.
sentence.
Tense
Tense
sentence.
sentence.
That is a
Yeah.
very.
Tense.
हमें बहुत पीछे जाना होगा इसके लिए फिर. चलो.
No, okay. But the words were the same.
एक सेकंड. ये.
Yeah, all together and all together.
All together. Okay.
Yeah.
Good, right?
Yeah, all together.
Is it okay?
No,
Shall we
no.
go?
In our quiz, 10th question was the words were the same, all together and all together.
Good job. एक सेकंड. चलो. See.
Yes, all together.
Here, all together.
Finally, read this first read this sentence all.
Finally, we are all together meeting right now at Zoom session.
Which one?
Here, all together.
Yes,
All
here,
together.
all together. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. So now come to the point. What is the? Yes, Ranjit.
Desert.
Desert.
First.
Desert.
Desert.
Desert. Much water.
Area with no much water.
हाँ, कैसे आप pronounce करेंगे?
Desert.
Second one?
Desert.
First one desert and second one desert.
Yes. आप उल्टा कर रहे हो. Desert. Desert. Okay. और desert. समझ लो? First one area. Desert. Desert means area with no much water. यानी रेगिस्तान टाइप का. Okay. Okay. Now, see. Visual? This is visual?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, see. As a noun, desert. Desert. Okay. Desert. Okay. Okay. So, as a noun, and desert is also as a noun we use, or it means sweet. Okay. Cake, yeah, anything you like, sweets. Okay. Now, desert. Okay. Yes, Ranjit, read this first one.
Desert. Are you ready to drive through the desert? No. Yes. And
are you ready?
Desert.
Who will read again? Who will read? Milind, read again.
Are you ready to drive through the desert?
Yes. Now you can differentiate, Ranjit. What is the difference between pronunciation, you and Milind? Between?
Yeah.
क्या?
He is perfect.
True या true?
आपके डिजर्ट में स्वीटनेस समझ में आ रही है, मीठा, और उनके डेजर्ट में समझ में आ रहा है कि वो रेगिस्तान ही बता रहे हैं. डेजर्ट.
मैम desert.
यस. पहले सेकंड वन में ना क्या आप करोगे? डिजर्ट. फर्स्ट वन में यस. मिलिंद, यू वांट टू से समथिंग?
Desert. No, correct.
Desert. Okay.
Desert.
And second one, desert. Likewise, you have
Desert.
to. I think Nitin is confused. No, it will good. Yeah. चलो उसमें से आप दोनों ना याद रखो, बस एक ही तो याद रखो. चलो. Okay. Desert. आप एक काम करो, ए और ई के मात्रा लगा लो. Desert. डेजर्ट में रेगिस्तान. डिजर्ट में स्वीट.
रेगिस्तान.
ठीक है, एक में ए की मात्रा जाएगी, एक में ई की मात्रा आएगी. Dessert. Dessert. Okay, would you like to eat something, some other dessert? Would you like to eat some other dessert? Now you can differentiate. मैंने दोनों वर्ड यूज किया सेम सेंटेंसेस में. Dessert. Okay, good. A की मात्रा. Yes, with the example. Now. Yes, Kavita. Kavita, read this one, dear.
She was deserted by her husband.
What is the meaning?
Like she has no interest now. Like looks like
Him
I'm
Duka Suka.
watching this picture. Like she has no interest in her husband.
Yeah.
Dryness. Dryness.
No. Here in this sentence, deserted
She is
meaning is
fulfilled.
different. No. Here is deserted meaning means
Like
different.
okay,
Completely.
wow.
She was deserted by her husband. समझ रहे हो? यहाँ पे कोई रेगिस्तान, कोई मीठना, कोई स्वीटनेस नहीं है. एज अ वर्ब आप इसको कैसे यूज करोगे, उसमें एक अलग ही चेंज हो गया सेंटेंस. सी वॉज डिजर्टेड यानी विदाउट गिविंग एनी इंफॉर्मेशन, एनी रीजन, सी सेपरेट, फिजिकली अलग हो गई उससे.
अलग होना.
हाँ, सेपरेट होना. विदाउट गिविंग एनी रीजन, बिना किसी रीजन के. So that is a good verb, you can use in your conversation. She was deserted by her husband. अब इसको अदर किसी सेंटेंस में you can use. Ravi Rai, you were driving. You can understand here while driving what I am saying. Good, nice. Still you are trying to join. That is a good quality. Okay. Yes. So are you getting deserted meaning?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Priyanka.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
My word is not audible. Everyone, I'm audible to everyone.
Yeah,
Audible,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Loud and clear.
Priyanka,
Issue
check
from
your
my
connection
side.
here. Rejoin
Yes.
if you are not. So rejoin here. Your network is so. Yes. Please rejoin here. You are facing a network issue. Yes. Tejasri, you are not participating here. Yes. Okay. She was deserted by her husband. Okay. So what is next? Yes. Okay. Yeah. 10. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Who will read? Nitin will read. Nitin, read this.
Yes, ma'am. Principal, noun, truth, law, rules. Principal, adjective, noun, head of office, institute, organization.
First principle means as a noun use करते हैं, लास्ट में LE होता है. It means law, rule, जिसे हम बोलते हैं. What is the principle of your technique teaching? What is your principle of teaching? Okay. And principal, adjective as a noun, that is a head of the institute. Any noun है ये principal. And what is your principle of that teaching? You can differentiate. Priyanka, you can differentiate here. How could you pronounce this word? Chalo, see. Okay. So, principal and principal, you can use same. Okay, now read this. Yes, Priyanka will read. Priyanka, read this one. First, I think she is not getting. Yes, I think Kavita, read this one.
I'm going to teach you 11 principles of a happy life. Our principal concerns is the safety of the children. Hello.
Anyone? Yes.
Yes.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Now you are audible, but I'm not getting your all the parts, whatever you read. Kashinath, read this again.
First one is, I'm
both.
going to teach you 11 principles of a happy life.
11 principles of
Our
the
principal,
our principal.
our principal concern is the safety of the children.
यहाँ पे भी ई और ए का आएगा, डिफरेंशिएट आ जाएगा. ठीक है?
Yes.
What is your principles? Okay. What is, and you are the principal of the your institution. Okay. Yes. Ranjit, read this one.
He is a woman of principles.
What does it mean? Which principles?
Principles of his law, rules, regulations.
She is a woman of the principles. Okay. Many rules, tricks and techniques. Yes. Noun. Principal in this sentence. Principal we use as a noun.
No.
Okay. What is next?
Okay.
Chalo. Milind.
Yeah. Along adverb preposition, a long adjective.
Along. You can easily differentiate, na? Identify by. Yes, read this also.
Yeah. Move along something on a flat surface, horizontally.
Something, something. Okay. What is the?
Yeah.
Okay.
How long something is?
Distance.
How long something is? Distance or time?
Along. Adjective, as the adjective we use, that is meaning. What is the meaning? How long something, मतलब किसी चीज
How
से
long?
हाँ उसकी दूरी. ठीक है?
Distance.
Okay, हाँ. क्या हो जाएगा? क्या हो जाएगा? Along क्या हो जाएगा? Go outside. Along. Along. अगर हम एक साथ में बोल दे, what is the meaning? Position. क्या हो जाएगा? Position. Okay ना? Move along something on a flat surface. Horizontal means position next to a length. यानी किसी चीज से उसका position कैसे है? Along. Along. Along means how long something means duration, distance, extent. What is the? ठीक है? See with the example. See with the example. Sapna, read this one, dear.
Let's go for a walk along the river.
अब आप ये देख रहे हो? Along. Let's go for a walk along the river. यानी along means position. Along means क्या हो गया ये? Position हो गया ना? Next to the.
Yes.
सामने वाले से उसका जो position है, क्या position है? Along to the river. यानी उसके horizontally. It means. Okay. Now along. Read this one also. Along means
a long day.
A long trip. A long road. A long यानी दूरी, distance. Okay. Duration. You can say. It's been such a long journey. Such a long journey. हम बोलते तो हैं इस सेंटेंस को. Such a long journey. यहाँ पे हम second वाले पे emphasize करेंगे और इसमें along एक साथ along. Okay, let us go for a walk along the river. Along the river. Horizontally we will walk. And a long journey. Okay. We will walk a long journey. Getting my point? Getting my point? You will digest.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Don't worry.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Kavita, read this.
There is a long list of names on the board.
Again, read this. Come again. Same word.
There is a long list of names on the board.
Yes. There is a long list of names.
Am I clear now?
Yes, yes, yes. Clear, clear. There is a long list of names on the board. You can see on the screen now. There is a long list of names. Okay. What is the meaning here? Along as a, ये किसके लिए हो रहा है? As a adjective we use along.
Adjective.
Okay. Yes. Now, Ranjit, read this.
I walked along windy road.
Now, in one sentence, use both words. I walked along
First.
a long windy road. यानी horizontally भी है और लंबा भी है. You can see ना?
Horizontal and distance wise.
Okay. Yes. Listen. I want. You can easily identify in this sentence and with the picturization way. You can see na.
Visualization.
That is a visualization is a very, very important. If you see with the, if you see any words with the picture na, you can easily identify. That's why I'm saying. If I'm sending the PDF na, see, go through with the picture also again. Yes. Last one.
Yeah.
Yes.
This one.
Last one. Yes. Kashinath, read this.
Advice. An action of recommending, suggesting something to others.
Yes. Advice. 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 अब देखो ज और स में अंतर आ रहा है लास्ट में. एडवाइस. एडवाइस. कैसे आप प्रोनाउंस करते हैं? एडवाइस. एज अ वर्ड ना, गिविंग समथिंग, सजेशन. सजेशन देना. एडवाइस. लास्ट में क्या जाता है साउंड? ज. ज का आता है. Have you noticed? Have you noticed? And second one, advice. Advice. Last में sound जाता है, स जाता है, स का. मतलब advice means it is also a suggestion, but that is a different meaning. Okay, how as a noun we use. Okay. Yes.
Right.
So who will go? Yes. Yes. Continue.
I need someone to advise me on subject I need to for my course.
Yes, I need someone to advise.
Hey,
that is easy.
Can I ask your advice?
Yes. Hi. Can I ask your advice? Something a little bit same, not so much difference. Okay, but you can easily identify.
Hey, can I ask?
Again, read this.
I have got a piece of advice from you.
Yes. Now see, which one is the right? Advisor? Yeah, advisor. Yes, which one is the right?
Both are right.
Both are right, ma'am.
Both are right. How?
Advisor.
Yes. Yes. Who will read? Who will read? Ranjit, read this one here again. No, Sapna, read this. Sapna, are you there?
He doesn't want to meet his college advisor.
Yes.
Want to meet his colleague advisor.
He
doesn't want to meet his colleague advisor.
College.
Advisor. Okay, now tell me which one is right. Both. Yes, both are right. But this is a less. We use less. Okay, so in advance we use this word advisor. Meaning OR advisor. We don't use advisor. Yes, ER. Both are right, but we now in this advance we use advisor. Okay. Now today's topic. Write it down. Life does not get easier. You just get stronger. Write it down, Nitin, because you are taking first time vocabulary session. Okay. A little bit you will get confused, but don't worry. When you go step by step, it will be easier for you, dear. Okay, Nitin? Yes, but whatever you learn, you have to make a sentence in a paragraph. Okay? Have you seen the topic? By using that word. Have you seen? Yes. Life does not get easier. You just get stronger. आप इसको मतलब लाइफ इजी नहीं होती, आपको स्ट्रॉन्गर बनना पड़ता है। ओके, स्ट्रॉन्ग, आप अपने आप को फील करिए। ओके, सो now I think I'm visible now to everyone. Ki screen is visible, I don't see. Yes.
Yes.
Now, okay. So dear, first we have done for the day today. Thank you for giving your valuable time for the session and for the learning. How was the session? Please give your feedback in the group first. I'm audible? I'm audible to everyone? Why you all are become a statue?
7 words. Ma'am, you told us 10. Ma'am,
Yes,
you told us 10 words, but these are 7. You explained 7.
They are repeated.
They are repeated, na?
Repeated.
All words are, all words are,
Yes.
So, what did I say? First, you have to give your feedback in the group. Honestly, okay? What did you take away from the session? What did you learn actually? Okay? And second thing is, whatever I'm sending the PDF, whatever I learn, I teach, I explain, I send the PDF in the group. You have to have you write it on your topic, whatever your topic. लाइफ इजी
Life
नहीं
does
है,
not get
स्ट्रॉन्गर बनना है। आप अपने से संबंधित, अब टॉपिक पे ही बेस मत करिए, मतलब आप ये समझो आपको लाइफ में आपको बाय द यूजिंग ऑफ दैट वर्ड्स आपको यू हैव टू फ्रेम 1 पैराग्राफ, कुछ सेंटेंसेस आप फ्रेम करो और आप इस ग्रुप में सेंड करो। आई विल चेक एंड रिप्लाई। ओके, आई विल चेक एंड रिप्लाई टू पर्सनली। ओके, वॉट एवर यू, अगर आप इफ यू यूज ना, if you will frame the sentence, it will more clear and all words written into your brain here. Okay, are you getting
Ma'am,
it?
I have to frame this.
Yes,
Ma'am, I have to frame from today's topics with this word, no, whatever you have learned tonight.
yes, you have to frame the sentence, you have to frame the paragraph, apne surrounding, vitalization, use V3 technique and frame the sentences so that you can memorize all the words, not all the words, at least some words. Okay, you can easily differentiate. Okay, so we have done for the day here. Keep learning, keep smiling and keep practicing here. Okay, and send your feedback in the group. Bye bye, good night. Bye bye dear.
Bye bye.
Good night.
Thank you, ma'am. Good night.